and today we're doing painting at home.
Welcome to Artburst at Home, where today one of our Artbursters is going to show you an easy painting activity to do with your under 5's. Now, we're not going to use paintbrushes today, but instead
We are going to do painting things from the kitchen.
Great idea! Let's see what we can find in the kitchen.
A massive potato and a whiskey whisk and a big old book.
Now make sure you've got a big piece of paper to cover the table, some paint, a palette, and that's it. Now,
Let's get painted.
what colour shall we use today?
Blue, yellow, red, green, white.
Now let's get started by pouring a little bit of each colour into the palette. If you don't have a paint palette at home, that's fine. Any plate or a plastic container will do.
That's enough. How do you open this?
And adults always be on hand to help with tricky lids.
Big full of white.
Yes, it does sound funny. Let's have a look at your paint. Brilliant! Now it's time to start painting. We're using a potato masher first. Just press it into the paint and onto your paper to make some cool shapes and patterns. If you're using more than one colour, you can make some lovely patterns. Just mix them all up together. What do you think it looks like?
Rainbow.
Once you've got the hang of it, have a play around with some of your other painting utensils. What different marks do you make on the paper?
This time I found a whiskey. Ta-da!
And yes, you can wipe your painty fingers on your t-shirt. In fact, why not get your whole hand involved? Look at those rainbow handprints. You can even use other things to paint patterns. Our favourite thing is toy monster trucks.
Monster truck!
But you can use anything you can find around the house. You can make patterns in the paint, just mix up all the colours together. You will get messy, but it's lots of fun. And we're all done. Wow, what brilliant, brilliant painting.
Well done, everyone. Good job.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.